How people with disabilities use digital technology. Presentation. Distinguishing and understanding. When content is accessible, people can adjust its presentation to make it easier to distinguish and understand. This could include adjusting screen size and color to see better, adjusting audio volume to hear better, or adjusting how text is presented to read it better. Some people with low vision increase the text size to make it easier to read. They might adjust properties in the web browser or operating system, such as increasing the default text size, font type, and line spacing to better see the text. Websites and apps that are programmed and designed to adapt to these properties allow people to use the content without the text overlapping, getting cropped, or requiring them to scroll both vertically and horizontally. Other people with low vision increase everything on the screen, not only text. They might use screen magnification software as a digital magnifying glass. Some might also change the text and background colors to better read the text and use text-to-speech to hear the text while they're reading. This means that websites and apps need to be programmed and designed to allow people to change the colors rather than forcing them to appear in a certain way. Presentation is not only visual. People with auditory disabilities, for example, might need to increase the volume of online meetings and multimedia like videos, podcasts, and music without increasing the volume of other system sounds like notification alerts. Adjusting the bass, treble, and balance of the sound can make the audio easier to hear, so operating systems and media players need to provide these settings. Also, these settings work better with high-quality audio that does not have background noise. Presentation adjustments can also make content easier to focus on, particularly for people with different types of cognitive and learning disabilities. This includes reading modes that hide less relevant parts of the content, such as sidebars and front matter, pop-up and animation blockers that help avoid distraction and interruption, and digital reading rulers that help readers focus on one line at a time. Some reading assistants, for example those that some people with dyslexia might use, adjust how the text is presented to make it easier to read. This includes changing the font type, text size, colors, and the spacing between letters, sentences, and paragraphs. Some people read better with serif-type fonts and others with sans-serif fonts. Adjusting these properties are individual from one person to another, which is why flexible design is so important. Other reading assistants support comprehension. Some can process the text to simplify words and phrases, and sometimes also simplify complex sentences. These tools rely on proper programming and design to work.
You can help make technology accessible to me.
Accessibility. It's about people. For more information from the Web Accessibility Initiative on how people with disabilities use digital technology, visit w3.org/WAI/people.